Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I explain the REGUS app review to see with what you're using. So let's quickly dive into it. The REGUS app is a convenient app for booking workspaces and meeting rooms across thousands of locations worldwide. It makes it easy to search, play, and reserve via your phone, ideal for mobile professional or teams needing a flexible office option. On the flip side of the app, users frequently report issues including hidden fees, billing confusion, inconsistency in workspace quality, and a poor customer support when problems arise. And in my conclusion, the REGUS app is worth using, or the app is still worth trying if you travel often and you need a flexible workspace access and value convenience. But if budget and transparent pricing or contract clarity are your top priority, use it with caution and be careful with the terms before booking. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.